Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly handy product that we discovered recently, a universal remote control specifically designed for Samsung TVs. We've linked it down in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? It's a pack of 2 universal remotes tailored for a wide variety of Samsung TV models, including the Frame, Solar, Serif, Crystal, Curved, LED, QLED, OLED, Neo UHD, SUHD, and even the latest 4K and 8K series. This makes it an ideal solution for households that need a reliable backup remote to ensure that your entertainment never skips a beat. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, this remote requires no pairing or programming. Just insert 2 AAA batteries, though you'll need to grab those separately, and you're ready to go. The remote is built with durability in mind, utilizing strong materials that promise a longer service life. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't support voice control functions, so if you're looking for that capability, you might want to consider other options. Compatibility is another significant advantage of this remote. It works seamlessly with nearly all Samsung Smart TV models, including the popular 7, 8, and 9 series, and many others like the CU8000, DU8000, TU8000, and even the latest QN series. This makes it a versatile choice for anyone with a Samsung TV, regardless of the model. For practical use, imagine this scenario: you've just settled down for a movie night after a long day, and suddenly your remote goes missing. Panic sets in as you search for it. With this universal remote pack, you'll have a spare on hand, ready to use whenever you need it. No more interruptions to your binge-watching sessions. Plus, with its 0.1 second fast response time, you won't experience any lag when switching channels or adjusting the volume. Your shows will start instantly with just a press of a button. This product is especially suitable for families, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who enjoys streaming content on their Samsung TVs. If you have multiple remotes around the house, having a universal remote can simplify your entertainment setup significantly. In summary, if you're in the market for a dependable and easy-to-use replacement remote for your Samsung TV, this universal remote control pack is a fantastic option.